Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't normally film this late, but my Glossybox arrived today while I was out, and I decided to sit down and film with you guys. It is like 99,000% skincare, so I don't have to do my makeup, so we're just going to sit down, unbox, talk through the products in here, and go through the entire variation. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this month's Glossybox with me, stay tuned. So the theme is Glossy Pure Relaxation. There's a little blurb inside as always. Take your mind off your worries and treat yourself to some me time and pure relaxation. As we wind down from summer, take a moment to rest and let your mind recuperate before the hectic holiday season begins. This month's selection will pamper you from head to toe so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy. Signed, your Glossybox team. So this is a review of the advent calendar that they do every year, and a review of last year's. I did an entire unboxing of last year's advent calendar, and I will be doing one of this year's as well. That'll be coming as soon as it gets here, which I'm assuming will be within the next month or so, but we're going to jump right into the variation in front of me. The first item is from, I'm not even going to pretend to pronounce that brand, Astaxanthin. This is a collagen all-in-one gel, a lightweight facial moisturizer that tones, hydrates, and brightens the skin in one step. It is powered by astaxanthin, a natural antioxidant proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 550 times more powerful than vitamin E at eliminating free radicals and causing premature aging. This retails for $49. You know I don't love opening new moisturizers until I'm ready for them, but I am going to open it up just to look at the packaging, but I'm not going to break the seal on this. It does say right here, 6 months after you open it, it does expire, and I'm not ready to open a new moisturizer. The packaging is really pretty. It does feel quite luxe, but again, right now I'm not currently ready for a new moisturizer, so I'm going to set this to the side until I am ready for it. The next item comes from the brand. This is the Stress Check Clean Hands No Rinse Purifying Hand Gel from the brand This Works. It is a hand sanitizer. Keep your hands clean anywhere you go. The hydrating hand gel with 70% purifying alcohol, hard-working hyaluronic acid, and a super blend of lavender, chamomile, and neroli will make your hands clean, safe, and moisturized whenever you can't get to soap and water. This is a travel size that retails for $6. This I am going to try because I don't mind having 90 hand sanitizers open because I go through them. So, definitely smells like the lavender and chamomile. Feels very soft. Not super sticky. Definitely an awesome product. The next product comes from Terre de Mar. This actually came in a Boxycharm, so I have used this. I don't particularly like it, so I am going to be passing on it. But for those of you this is new to, it retails for $23. Clean and refresh your skin while nourishing, toning, and protecting at the same time. This organic, low-foaming, aromatic cleansing gel is suitable for all skin types and infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe. It is a body wash. I didn't love it, so I am going to drop that in a giveaway. That's just not really for me. The next item is from the brand David's. It is a premium whitening anti-plaque toothpaste, retailing for $4.95. It is a natural peppermint toothpaste designed to naturally whiten, remove plaque, and freshen your breath. David's is made with naturally sourced and naturally derived ingredients to elevate your health and oral care. Your teeth will be whiter in no time. I'll probably end up giving this a try, not gonna lie. Not really a product I'm excited to get in a subscription box, but it's a staple, so it's something I will try. Next, this is the Daily Hammam Mitt Lifestyle Size. It is a body exfoliating mitt. Detox and refresh your skin for a youthful glow. Made for your body, this cloth cleanses and exfoliates at the same time. It detoxifies, rehydrates, and nourishes without stripping and drying your skin so you can look and feel your best. Retails for $14. Daily Concepts has sent a lot of these like exfoliators, scrubby products, dry brushes, and everything I've tried has been good quality, but these like body care tools are not really things that I end up using. I try them out once or twice and then they just kind of collect dust under my vanity and then I end up throwing them away. So I'm going to pass on this. It's just not another one that I'm going to like. And the last item is from the brand Four Sigmatic. This is a 2-pack of hot cocoa, but it is a reishi hot cocoa with mushrooms. So treat yourself to a better bedtime with this vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, organic cocoa mix. Made with reishi mushroom, you'll experience a relaxing evening and a better night's rest. Retails for $4. I will take a look at it. It's a little hippy-dippy for me. It does contain coconut, which I am sensitive to topically. I can ingest it without an issue. I'm going to try it just for the sake of trying it, but really these like supplementy kind of things are not really things that excite me. So when I sit down at the end of an unboxing and I try to figure out, was this box worth it? I really just look at it and I say, did I get the value of the box out of the box? If I was to take the money that I would have spent on the product and go to Ulta or Sephora and spend that money on products, would I have gotten more bang for my buck out of a shopping trip or out of the subscription box? And usually, I'll be honest, the subscription box typically wins just from a pure numbers game. But this month, the box retails, I don't think it came close to what I would have spent. So Glossybox is an $18 a month or a $19 a month subscription box. You can usually get your first box for as low as $1 sometimes, but typically $16. So I'm going to use that $16 mark, and I got a $6 travel size hand sanitizer and a $4.95 toothpaste that I might not even like. So when I look at the products that I did like out of the box or that I'm willing to try and that I'm interested in, I absolutely did not get the value of the box out of it. So this was not a win of a box for me. Definitely would have been better taking $16 and going to Target or Ulta or even the beauty section at Walmart where you can find some great products at an affordable rate. Because again, I got a toothpaste and a hand sanitizer. So definitely not the best box in my opinion, but then again, I guess it's all up to whether or not the type of body exfoliator or, I mean, I didn't try the moisturizer. I might end up loving it, but I have so many moisturizers that it's just going to end up sitting in my drawer until I'm ready to use it because I feel like I get a moisturizer from subscription boxes every single month. So as always, let me know your thoughts down below. Do you agree with me? Was I too harsh? I would love to hear your opinions. Lately, I feel like I have been extra critical on all of the subscription boxes because I'm going to be honest, I'm kind of bored. And that's not just Glossybox or Look Fantastic or Ipsy or Boxycharm. In general, I just find that I'm not excited about the boxes as much as I used to be because the products just aren't as exciting as they once were. Let me know your thoughts down below. Which subscription boxes are you loving the most? What are you super excited for? And what in this box would you have enjoyed? And am I right? Is this a subpar box, in my opinion? Now, I do want to say that this is not a reflection on Glossybox because I've received some amazing boxes from them in the past. This one just missed the mark for me. So I'm going to pass on this one this month, but who knows what next month will bring. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.